So you're deciding between Teachable and Samcart, and you don't know which platform is the best for your course or for your digital product. My name is Marcus, and in this video, I'm going to share with you all my knowledge I have. I'm going to review both of these tools, what are the main differences, review pricing plans, then pros and cons, and also the features. So you'll know it all after watching this video. Before we're gonna start, you're gonna find a link for Samcart, a link for Teachable down below in the description. And if you're gonna go through my affiliate links in the description, you can easily message me when your course is going to be ready. When you will finish something, you can say, hey Marcus, I finished my product, I finished my sales page, funnel, whatever. Can you give me feedback? What do you think about it? And I'm going to give you completely free feedback for your course, for your sales funnel page, so you can get better. Only because you would actually use the links down below in the description. So that's pretty much it. Let's jump into the video and let's learn something about both of these tools. First, what are the main differences? Samcart is primarily focused on creating really effective sales page and then also the checkout page. Teachable, on the other hand, got little bit more features what you can actually build with it and use it. But with Samcart, you can achieve much more. Like the whole process of actually selling things, it is much effective with Samcart, in my opinion. I personally use Samcart. I was thinking about using Teachable in the past, but I declined it because I'm like, this is really limited. And I'm going to show you how and why do I think like that. Now, first, let's jump into the pricing plans, and then I'm going to talk to you about those cons and pros I see. So when we come here to the pricing plans, what we can find here? Here, we can have the launch, the grow, and scale. On the other hand, with Teachable pricing plans, we see they offer also free account, which is pretty limited, but still you can use it. Now, you can see that, okay, it's free, but they take the transaction fees on sales, $1 plus 10%. So let's say I'm going to ignore completely the free package and I'm going with basic one, and I'm going to start comparing from that. Now, on the Samcart, you're going to have the free trial, and you can anytime just delete the account. So you can get a free trial, 7-day, to see if you like it or if you don't like it. And that's what I really like about it. The great thing is that they don't have any compare all feature plans. They don't have any processing fees. Samcart never takes a cut. Comparing to Teachable, they take a cut. So yes, you see that the basic package, the launch package, is $59 a month on a monthly plan. On Teachable, monthly plan is $39. So it's expensive, but they take 5% of your sales. So let's say that I'm going to have a 0 like this. They're going to pay another $5 of every single sale, and it's going to accumulate. So let's say that you would, like right now, sold 10 of them. So there's like $50 plus to the basic version. And there's like, goddamn, right? So even the basic is not worth it if you're going to actually sell the products. Now, when we come here to the Samcart, you don't have it there. So that's another thing that I think Samcart in this way is better, because people don't understand how much cut. They see, oh, it's free, oh, it's cheap, but they don't see how much they're actually paying Teachable or whatever tool that is actually taking a cut. So that's something which is really important to actually think about. Now you're gonna have also the Pro version, which is $119, and it's like the Grow one. And you're gonna have finally transaction fees on sale 0%. And you're gonna have the sales and marketing. You have also the email marketing. That's something you don't have in Samcart. Then affiliate marketing, that's something you have in Samcart. Advanced reporting, that's something you have. And get more details on each plan. Let's see it here. Payouts, daily, monthly, support features. Quizzes, that's something you don't have in Samcart. Coupon codes, you have it. Email marketing, you don't have it. Upsells, you have it much better in Samcart. And that's pretty much it. So when we go further and when we compare, all my cameras again went off. Yeah, okay, I'm back. Sorry. about that. Now, when you see it here, and when you're going to compare the Teachable with the Samcart, when we compare the features wise, what we can actually find here is that Samcart got many more options how we can design the site. So here, how it works on Teachable, I can click here, add a new block, and I can add, let's say, image. And then I need to actually like edit it. So I need to go back and I can move it, right? It's like a moving blocks editor. On the other hand, with Samcart, it's much easier to create and have like your sales page really effective. In a Teachable, you don't have any templates. With Samcart, you have. So these are the templates they have, but I would say that they need even more templates. And let's go back a little bit to the pricing plans. My recommendation is definitely to test the Samcart. I think it's a winner here. But it really depends what you need. If you need quizzes, if you need all those jabbing about courses, you can use Teachable. All right, it's going to be the good choice for you if you need quizzes, etc. Even there, I would choose a different alternative. That's what I would do. On the other hand, when you just need effective sales page, effective checkout experience, go with Samcart. Then you can also upload the course there that people can watch directly. And then let's say I got it connected with ConvertKit. I got it connected with Discord. So automatically when someone is going to get a course and buy it from me, they're going to get access to Discord. And that's like really cool. And then also with ConvertKit. So I got it like that and I really like it. So that's something that I would recommend. Now you can go also with annual plan if you want to. When we come here back to the Samcart, you're going to have like a lot of templates here that you can use. And I have like the course here. Like, I don't know, this one here, where is it? We can have like checkout page and you can always preview it, how it actually looks like. Like this one here. And you can edit everything here, right? So I can come here to dashboard on editing, and on the right side, I can add a bullet list, right? Look at this. And I can start editing that. I can change logos and everything. Text size, line height, text indent, all of that. Now I can add, let's say, an icon. I can add a text. Divider, headline, image, tabs, right? Then I can add also the custom HTML. So you can, the editing is really simple here, how we can actually edit that. And combine by using like the templates, you can make it much more effective. And you can just edit those templates and you're good to go. And you can look at this. You can always come here to the collections and have call to action. Have featured area. Guarantees. All of that. You can have it right here. And that's pretty much how it works. So to summarize this whole video, yes, Samcart could have more templates. But when we look on a direct sales, I would definitely recommend going with the Samcart. If you want an effective sales page, if you want to have like really great checkout experience, it's much better comparing to Teachable what you can actually do with it. And also with the Teachable pricing plan, when they're going to take a cut, I don't really like it. Now, of course, if you're going to use the Teachable or if you're going to use the Samcart, I create tutorials on it. And you can also find the links down below in the description. And if you're going to go through me, I'm going to give you the feedback on your sales page, checkout page, whatever you're going to create. I personally use Samcart and I recommend it. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much guys for watching and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.